AMD, what are you doing? So far, Ryzen 9000 has just been one yikes after another, and the worst part is, Team Red are now doubling down, with a recent blog post that is just the biggest yikes of all so far. First, they are trying to sow seeds of doubt that the performance numbers reviewers have been posting for these brand new chips are pretty misleading. You know, all of those dozens of people who all run individual tests, yeah, they're all wrong. AMD, with their much more optimistic performance numbers, are the ones in the right, huh? And while they do try to rationalize it by talking about some options that could affect us, there's absolutely nothing there that could increase the performance of these brand new CPUs to the levels that AMD claims. But it gets even worse. People have been noticing huge improvements with the preview build for the next major release of Windows 11. Now all of a sudden, AMD is just letting people know to wait around for that version to come out to truly experience the best that these brand new CPUs that people paid hundreds of dollars for have to offer. As I said before, yikes. For those of us that can still remember things that happened more than 5 seconds ago, it's all too similar to that time with AMD's infamous Bulldozer family, where we had to wait around for a Windows hotfix to be deployed to have better performance and stability out of those things. And while so far Ryzen has been an absolute trip, this generation is probably the biggest misstep for Team Red ever since switching over to the Zen architecture. That doesn't mean that these chips are without merits. They are pretty awesome still, but the way that AMD have been going around this whole ordeal is, well, questionable to say the least. But what do you think about all of this? Let me know down in the comments below, and maybe check out a Patreon, because AMD already doesn't send us review samples. To this video, I don't think they will. So huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Avrona, Def Panda, Bartosz Velko, Patrick Harrison, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lensby, Level Up, and Robert Sanders. But anyway, that's all it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.